Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Didi and I hope you're having a wonderful week. So I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today. Well, not really different, but you know, just a little bit more closer to home, shall I say. So I am going to be doing my whole full face with as much black owned products as I have in my makeup box or my makeup bag or my makeup whatever. Naturally, I would say that, you know, buying makeup product stuff, I don't naturally gravitate towards just buying black owned stuff. Like, it's not something that comes to the forefront of my head, but with everything going on now, I want to show more support. I want to show more, be more aware myself, and as well as bring more awareness to the fact that there are loads of amazing, you know, black companies out there makeup wise that are doing really good stuff. So with that being said, today I am going to be reviewing this Airosa Beauty. They sent me their foundation and oh my god. All right, I fixed it. I don't know, I think it's the wind. I think my window is slightly opened. I think I'm sorry about that. So as I was saying, I have this makeup foundation from Airosa Beauty. They sent me their foundation, and they're a brand new company and black owned as well. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to do like a quick shout out to them, follow them on Instagram, check them out. And yes, I'm going to be reviewing this foundation for the very first time. So I'm a bit excited about that. And yeah, so let's get into this particular video. I've already done my eyebrows off camera. I do have a video. I'm going to link it up here or here. So you can check that out of how I do my eyebrows. Obviously, I think like in recent weeks I have changed it a little bit, so I might do like an updated one of, you know, how I do my eyebrows now. And to do my eyebrows, I used Slick Micro Fine Brow Pencil. So it looks like that. It comes in, you know, screw it a little bit up. It comes like that on this side, and on the other side it's kind of like a brush. So you're meant to use that to like brush your eyebrows in place, and then you know, do your eyebrows. And today I'm going to be priming with Fenty Beauty, and this is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Primer. Okay. I love the way it smells. And just massage that in. So for today I'm going to be using Juvia's Place. I have the ZULU palette. Whoops, I think it's just like falling over today. Apologies. I have the ZULU palette here, and this one is also called the Masquerade Mini by Juvia. So it kind of looks like this. It comes in really pretty colors. I've not really decided on what I'm going to do today, but I think I'm going to be going with like brownie kind of colors. You know me, I love my warm colors, and especially with, you know, today I feel like let's just do some brown. And this one, the ZULU palette, looks like that. I've already used this one. I've rinsed it. Like, I've used a lot of it. So let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I actually don't know if this is black owned. Can someone please tell me if this is black owned? I would really appreciate it, but I feel like it is. I'm not sure, 100% sure. But I'm going to use it to prime my eyes. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to be using as much black owned products as I can. I'm not saying, you know, 100% and, you know, don't come and bite me. Alright, so use that to prime. So once that's done, I'm going to go in with a powder, just like a translucent powder, to just cement it all together. And I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty powder Pro Filt'r in Banana. So your colors can actually pop. first one I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using Juvia's ZULU palette. So I'm just going to take a brush and just dab it in there. Just create some motion of dabbing. Oh, it's giving me like a orangey vibe, which I really like a brown orange. Do you know what? Now that I'm doing this, I feel like I want to go for like a more orangey sun kind of color. Okay, right. So I'm good with that part. And like I said, I want it to look kind of like a sun. Like, what color is the sun? Orangey? Right, I'm not really sure if I showed you, but for the ZULU Warrior one, this is the color I used, that color. And then in this Masquerade one, I'm just gonna deepen that color I already have with this one called Ada, this color here. And fun fact, Ada is actually, well, I don't know if it's any other name in Africa, but it's a Nigerian name and it's an Igbo name, and it means first daughter. Someone correct me if I'm wrong, but it means first daughter, and technically my name is Ada as well because I am the first daughter. So it kind of, I think it works well. I think we're onto something here. So I'm just using the Ada one to deepen the color, make it more in your face, pow, to create an effect. I'm really loving this. I wish I was going somewhere, you know. Oh, Rona. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go in again with my ZULU. And this time, instead of taking orange, I am going to take the yellow color. That one. I'm going to put it around here. Okay. So I'm putting a bit of yellow in the middle there. I think I like it. Yes. This is what I want. Yes. Right, so now that I've done the eyes, and I'm going to go in with my liner. So this is called the Lollipop liner and it's from Beauty Bakerie. I love Beauty Bakerie stuff. I love their packaging. I love the way everything comes. It's so nice and neat and professional and just well done. If you don't have any Beauty Bakerie stuff in your makeup box, you do need to get one. I really want to get the powder, the loose powder. Loads of people have been raving about it. I'm probably going to get it next. But I'm just going to use this to create a dramatic eyeliner. Okay. And honestly, this is so easy to use. Look at that. Look at the way it just draws. Look at that. Just one line. Easy. Just like that. And then pull it back. Like that. I'm just coloring that in. This is so easy, guys. Like, if you don't have this, you need to go buy it. It's so easy to use for anyone who is a beginner in, you know, trying to get the makeup game going on, especially when it comes to eyeliner. I'm creating a longer look because I want a more dramatic one. Just bring that down. Okay, so I'm just going to do this for this eye and I'll see you. Okay, so I finished the second eye and yes, so moving on swiftly, I'm going to go into the guest honor, the foundation. And this is Airosa Beauty, like I said before, and this is in the color 6. The only thing I would say about it, like just looking at the packaging, it's very, very solid. This is glass, it's not plastic, so you know, like I said, it's very, very solid, and the packaging is you know, like a decent size. I'm gonna guess this is a 30 ml. The only criticism I have, or information, well, I won't call it criticism, but just something that I would like to see more on this would be more information. I don't know if it's full coverage. I don't know if it's going to last 24 hours. I don't know if it's oil free. I don't know if it's you know, maybe got sun protection on there, SPF and stuff like that. So more information on the packaging or the box that I came with would be so amazing. But I'm still super psyched to be trying it out for the first time. So let's go in. So, oh, all right, I'm going in with my beauty blender, and this is also a black-owned beauty blender company called Remsco Creation. Remsco Creation, I love this. It's like really soft and spongy and just, yeah, it's about £5. I bought it off Instagram, so just type in Remsco Cosmetics, or well, Remsco Creations, and you'll be able to find it. The color, oh, so far, it's lightweight, doesn't feel heavy. It smells nice. I like the smell. Trying this on, I think maybe it would be, if I had gone for like a color 5, I think that would be perfect for me. But what I do like about it is that it's not dry. It feels dewy. I really like this, guys. This might be my go-to foundation. I mean, NARS is my go-to foundation, but I like this. I feel like I'm gonna purchase this in a color 5, or the color lower, because this is a color 6. Yeah, so this was gifted to me, but I like it so much I'm just gonna use my money to buy it. Okay, so for the concealer, I'm going to be going with my LA Girl, and this is in the color Fawn. So I'm just going to be going with that underneath my eye. And now I'm just going to go in with my Fenty Beauty powder. And I'm not going to bake, so I'm just going to use this to, you know, set everything underneath my eye. Everything. I've got all the parts that I wanted to get. And now I'm just going to go in to cement the contour. I'm going to be using Sleek Makeup contour kit, and I'm going to be going with that color. We've come a long way, you know. I remember like back in the day, like the only 2 colors you had for makeup from Superdrug was Dream Matte Mousse, the cocoa one, as well as the cocoa one and the caramel one. That was the only 2 options you had. Like there was actually no variety. What is called variety? No such. That was your color. Yeah, and then I used to have to like mix it. It still wasn't my color, but that was what we got. Guys, don't worry about underneath my eye. I know some of you are thinking, ah, underneath my eye is bright, but don't worry about that. We're gonna sort it out. I promise. We're gonna sort it out. It's just the way it's looking right now. We're sorting it out. We're sorting it out, man. We're gonna sort it out, I promise. And just to bring everything a little bit more closer to home, because like I said, I can hear you screaming about underneath my eye. I'm just gonna brush that out. For my blush, I'm going to be using Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be using one of the colors that we've used already. Ooh. So, the orange. Because, you know, like the whole point of this is we want to look like the sun. So we might as well just look like the goddamn sun. So I'm going to lightly dab that on my cheek. I'm just going to go and do my lashes off camera. Okay, so I've done my eyelashes off camera, and yeah, so this is it. I like it. I like this eyelashes. It's a little bit fuller than what I usually go for, but I feel like it matches the occasion just fine. So for the lips, I'm going to go in with I'm going to be using this sleek brow, well, it's for eyebrows, but you know me, it doesn't matter. Lip pencil is lip pencil, and the color is ash brown. So I'm just going to use that to line my lips. I've already lined it a little bit. And then I'm going to be going in with this Beauty Bakerie. It's really, really cute. Like I said, I really love their packaging. It's so adorable. This is like a little pink stuff, but what is the name of this? Oh, the name is Funnel Cake. And it looks like that. It's really pretty. Kind of like a pinkish, orangey kind of color, which is really, really nice. Oh, it's very pinky. I really like it. I never often I don't really use like pink lips. So this is really, really cute. I kind of like it. And you know me, gloss baby. I'm going to be going in with my sleek lip Volve gloss. So we're gonna gloss that baby up. So to finish everything off, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty. And this is Cognac Candy. Let's take that brush. Just put it in there. Just glow it up, baby. Just glow it up. Feeling like I look, honestly, very sunny today. Very, very sunny. Even though there's no sun, I feel like I'm bringing all the sun. Okay. I like it. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. Okay, so that's the completed look. Let me put on my earrings before. I feel like the earrings is just a way to cement it all together. Okay, so I put on my earrings. I like my lips. It's soft because the eyes are a bit bold, but I still feel like I should have. I'm thinking. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm going to go with. Can you see these? These are like my my rhinestones. I don't know how I'm going to place them on my eye. I'm not really sure how this is going to look in the end. But you need glue. You know, it's not gonna stay on. Go. Oh, can you see that? Oh my god. Oops. Guys, oh my gosh. Feel a little bit out of my comfort zone here. I know it's just one little one. Can you see that? It's just a little glow there. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see it in all this glory. I'm gonna move forward a little bit, but yeah, it pops in real life, man. Like, it actually just like, it pops, you know? I'm happy with it, I'm happy with it. It pops in real life. Okay, so that's the finished look. I don't know, I feel like, do you guys like it? What do you guys think? I think it's pretty. I'm doing way too much. Yeah, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, thumbs up, share, and let me know what you think. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.